So now we're going to be teaching you the side body rolls that are initiated with your head, okay? So facing the back, we're going to start in our regular position, feet apart. So from here, we're going to initiate the body roll with our head. So your ear to your shoulder, and we're going to go down, pushing on to our left leg. We're going to change our weight to our left, and we're going to go with our head. From here, you're going to think of that imaginary wall again that your head touches. Then it's going to go up so that your shoulder touches, then your ribs, then your hip, and then we're going to come back to center. So same thing, we're going to initiate with our head to our shoulder, and then we're going to change our weight into that wall. So our head hits first, we bring it up, then our shoulder, then our rib, then our hip, and then we come back into our center. Let's do that one more time. So our head initiates to our shoulder, we lean over onto our left foot, very good, we touch that wall, bring our head up to our shoulder, our ribs, our hip, and then we come back to center. Okay, so now we're gonna add our head that at the end of it, when we come up and we hit that wall and we start changing all the body parts, so once we start getting to our shoulder, our head's actually going to tilt the other way onto your other shoulder while you hit your ribs and your hip, and then you're going to come back up. So that's going to give you the full snake effect that you're slithering through here, here, and back up, okay? So we're going to try that one more time now, thinking with the head that's going to go back the other way. So we then drop our head to our shoulder. We're going to change our weight onto our left foot. We hit that wall. Our head comes up. Then our shoulder hits the wall. As our ribs hit the wall, our head's going to go to the right. And then that's going to bring in our hip to touch the wall. And we're going to come back over our leg. Very good. So what you want to think with this head is that it leads here. As we come back the other way, it leads to come out the other way as we push our body parts and come back up to the center. We're going to start it from the other side. So we're going to drop our head, ear to our shoulder on the right-hand side. We're then going to change our weight into our right foot so we hit that wall. We're going to come up so our shoulder hits the wall, then our ribs, then our hip, and we're going to come back up. We're going to do that again. Same way, we drop our head, ear to your shoulder, we're gonna go over that weight, it hits the wall. We're coming up, shoulder hits, don't worry about the other part of your head yet, we're just thinking about the body right now, our ribs, our hip, and then we come back up, doing it one more time, to your shoulder, change your weight, it hits the wall, then it goes your shoulder, your ribs, your hip, and then we come back up. Now we're going to add the head where we go in, and then as our ribs hit, we're going to switch it the other way to come back up, okay? So we're going to go head to your shoulder. Now you're going to change your weight. You hit the wall with your head. You bring it up. Your shoulder hits. As your rib hits, your head changes to the other side, which then we keep going to get our hip to hit, and we come all the way back up. Let's try that one more time so we get the full snake effect this time. We're going to have our head to our shoulder. We're going to lean into the right foot, hit the wall. From here, we're going to go up, which makes our shoulder hit the wall. As our rib hits, our head's going to change the other direction. Now we're going to push until your hip hits that wall. Very good. And then we're just going to come right back up to our center. So there you have your side body roll initiated with your head. So now we're going to be doing an exercise to practice the side body roll initiated by your head on both sides. Okay, so facing the back, we're going to start to the left-hand side. So for the counts of 8 and the purpose of this drill, we're going to do a count of 8 for the body roll. So we're going to start with our head initiating on our 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to come all the way up on the 4. On the 5 is when our head's going to switch the other direction where your ribs hit. 5, 6, 7, back up, okay? From the other way, we're gonna do the same thing with the counts of 8. So we're gonna drop our head, and that's gonna be our 1, 2, 3, 4. Your shoulder hits. On the 5, we're changing our head direction while our ribs hit the wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? So we're gonna do 5 of these body rolls. So counts of 8 to the left, and then we're gonna do 5 counts of 8 to your right. So we're gonna start and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. To the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. Here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And there you have your drill for the side body rolls.